Hi, this video is going to show you how to write a WordPress blog. So what we've got here is I'm adding a new post, and I'm going to write this about the Year 4 camp that we've been on. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a title at the top there. You can see then it gives you the link just underneath, which you can edit and change if you want to, and then space to write some text. This week, Year 4 went on a camping trip. Very simple. From there you can also add things like bullet points to make it bold and underline and so on as well. If you want to include links, you can do that. So click here for camp. So for example, if you wanted a link to the camp and show people where it was, you highlight the words that you want to be the link and click on that link there, and then just paste in an address. I'll just put Google for now and press add link. And you can see it's now highlighted and I've got my link. So that's how to add text and how to add hyperlinks to other pages and other websites. What I might also want to do is add some photos. So I've got two options really with photos. One, I can upload them from here and just have one photo. Let's just put this one here and then open. So what I've done is I've pressed select files, browse to where it is, and then open. And then I can just press, you can see just a medium there, that's the size, and insert into post. And that picture will then appear. I can move that around if I want to, but I'll leave that there for now. The other option of uploading images is a few of them. So clicking there and uploading a few at once. So if I go to select files, and if I click those three, for example, that will then upload the pictures, and then I can have a little gallery of images instead. So obviously that will take a few seconds depending on how many photos and how big they are. It's worth noting that you should probably resize them, make them a little bit smaller before you put them onto blogs and things sometimes. So I'm just going to press Save Changes. And you'll see now I have 5 different images there. And what I can do is I want to link them as images. They can be in any random order, that's fine. And insert gallery. And you can see I now get this gallery option there of my pictures. When I publish my post, that will then be visible. Up here you've got 2 tabs. One is for visual, which is where I can sit and type. One is the HTML, which is the page, the language that makes up this blog post. And you can see there it's quite complicated. Lots of different tags and things in there showing the blog post what to do. If I give you an example of one that we've used, this is another post. And on here we've embedded this content here, which is actually going to be a slideshow, and you can see that flash slideshow showing up there of the actual Year 4 camp post that the girls wrote, not this one for the video. So the HTML page, if you're embedding content from things like Animoto, PhotoPeach, or YouTube and those sort of things. On the right hand side you may have categories to tick which category it's in, and you've also got tags there. So for example, I could put Year 4, I could put camping and so on, and add keywords onto that search. What I can do is I can save this as a draft if I need to come back to it a little bit later on. I can also get it to publish maybe later on. So let's publish this maybe tomorrow morning instead. Let's change that to the 12th at 9 AM. So tomorrow morning that will publish. Or I can press cancel if I wanted to. So you have the option of publishing it at a later date. And then when I'm ready, I simply press publish and give it a few seconds. And then what will happen is you get a little link just here. And if I just open that up, you'll see that now there is our trip on there. Now obviously I want to just remove that. So all I need to do is just press move to trash, and that's now gone. So that's how to write a simple blog post using WordPress.